This double-sided strong mounting Scotch tape was used to hang up Garland balloons up on the sky lantern. I was trying different methods and researching the best strong tape for it, and this worked well. This one can take the weight up to 7 kg, and I believe there is a stronger one than this too. Comes in a roll, just cut it and remove the red tape. These balloons were hung up for a month, and due to the heat and gravity, gradually it peeled and fell off. Still, it's done its job. The strong adhesive is still there. These balloons were pinned up. This one is still hanging on the wall using the strong adhesive tape. So guys, if you got a sky lantern and you're looking to hang balloons like a chandelier, then get this tape. Have fun. Peace.